Welcome to my wonderful floral workshop, you very, very special people. Now today I'll be demonstrating how to make a gorgeous floral posy for your coffee table, dining table, hall table or a bedside table. Posies are one of my favourite floral decorations to enjoy around the house. Now to my back on the whiteboard I've gotten the names of the flowers that I'll be working with this workshop. We've got the solidaster, the rose, the gerbera, the celosia and the foliages, the little gem magnolia, the gum, which is the eucalyptus, and the viburnum. Over to this side of the whiteboard, I've listed the names of the equipment or the sundries that we'll be using, and that is the secateurs, elastic band, cello, wrapping paper, and the rope or the ribbon of choice. So I can't wait to get started, and very shortly I'll be introducing you to the floral contestant.